Hello, my friends. Today we are going to read a book called The Autumn Leaf by Carl Emerson, illustrated by Corey Doerfield. Old Oak lived in the park. Her leaves took in the sun. But the autumn wind was blowing. It moved through Old Oak's leaves. Here's a little fun fact on the bottom. In North America, the season of autumn begins in September and ends in December. The seasons of winter, spring, and summer follow. Emma and Owen noticed the green leaves were changing. The leaves turned red and orange. Here's another fun fact. In autumn, each day has a little less daylight than the one before it. One day, Emma and Owen went to the park. They swung from Old Oak's branches. Emma and Owen sat on the fattest branch. Orange leaves fell to the ground. Here's another fun fact. In autumn, leaves don't get enough sunlight, so they change color and fall from the trees. Suddenly, Emma and Owen noticed the leaves were mostly gone. One last leaf held on. Another fun fact. Another word for autumn is fall. The season gets this name because the leaves fall from the trees in autumn. Old Oak tried shaking. Old Oak tried leaning. Old Oak asked the wind to blow. The leaf just wouldn't drop. Emma and Owen looked at the little leaf. It was scared. Emma had an idea. Emma and Owen climbed down. They made a huge leaf pile. The little leaf watched. Emma and Owen jumped in. They laughed and played. Fall, they yelled to the little leaf. Do you think she's gonna fall? The little leaf let go of the branch. It floated down to the pile of leaves. The little leaf looked up at Old Oak. It looked up at Emma and Owen. That was fun, said the little leaf. Old Oak smiled. She was finally ready for winter.